Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Garmin watches on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Garmin Instinct 2. The Garmin Instinct 2 improves upon its predecessor with a sleeker and more wearable design, catering to a broader audience with its 2 size options, 45mm and 40mm. Retaining the robust features of the original Instinct, including a shockproof resin case and exceptional battery life, this iteration offers enhanced versatility. It excels as a multi-sports watch, delivering tailored tracking modes for activities such as running, cycling, and swimming. With advanced training tools, workout suggestions, recovery time guidance, and load monitoring, it ensures users achieve a balanced approach to fitness. The ability to download apps, data fields, and faces from Garmin Connect IQ adds customization options. Despite its monochrome display's limitations for maps, the Instinct 2's mid-range pricing makes it an attractive and highly recommended choice. Number 2. Garmin Forerunner 55. The Garmin Forerunner 55, Garmin's latest entry-level running watch, retains the familiar design of its predecessor, the Forerunner 45, with a compact size and a user-friendly 5-button interface. However, under the hood, the Forerunner 55 boasts an impressive array of new training tools. These include suggested workouts based on past activities, providing structure to training even without a dedicated plan. Post-workout, the watch offers guidance on optimal rest and recovery durations before the next session. Notably, the Forerunner 55 shines with Garmin's renowned GPS accuracy, making it an excellent choice for those transitioning from Fitbit to a dedicated sports watch. Its recognition as the best new running watch in the 2021 awards underscores its value. Number 3. Garmin Venu 2. The Garmin Venu 2 masterfully balances the realms of a smartwatch and a sports watch, offering a sophisticated design without compromising on advanced training features. With precise GPS supported by Galileo and GLONASS, the watch provides access to Garmin Coach training plans, accurate heart rate monitoring, cadence, splits, and a range of indoor training modes. It seamlessly syncs with gym equipment and third-party fitness and diet apps. On the smartwatch front, it includes onboard storage for 650 songs, integrates with music apps like Deezer and Amazon Music, displays daily schedules, monitors heart rate, stress levels, and more. The high-resolution AMOLED display with optional always-on mode enhances visibility, making it an outstanding, versatile Garmin watch. Number 4. Garmin Enduro 2. The Garmin Enduro 2 stands out as a top-tier choice for those requiring unparalleled battery life, cutting-edge sensors, and integration with the Garmin ecosystem, despite its premium price tag. While the cost may deter impulse buyers, users in need of extensive features won't easily find alternatives. For a lifestyle-oriented yet rugged option with an AMOLED screen, the Garmin ePix Gen 2 is a viable choice. Individuals with smaller wrists may prefer the Garmin Fenix 7 Siemens for its stylish design and better fit. Specific needs for running and triathlons could lead to selecting the Forerunner 955 Solar or the Forerunner 255 Siemens. However, once experienced, the Enduro 2's extensive feature set, extraordinary battery life, and premium titanium construction make it challenging to revert to other models. Number 5. Garmin Vivosmart 5. The Garmin Vivosmart 5 is the ideal choice if you seek comprehensive health and fitness data without the bulk of a full-fledged running watch like the Forerunner 955. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with an impressive array of stats, makes it a standout option. The device excels in sleep tracking, offering comfort throughout the night. Despite a small monochrome screen, Garmin's interface design efficiently presents abundant data without appearing crowded. While it may not match the aesthetics of Fitbit's latest devices, the Vivosmart 5 stands out for its practicality, and importantly, all features are accessible without a subscription, ensuring free access to extensive insights and historical data trends through the Garmin Connect app. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.